We are back at Marble Tree in Ball Ground by Eastwood Homes. I am here with Roy. And Roy, it's been a little while since we've been here.
Absolutely.
I know a lot has been happening, so get us up to speed.
Yeah, so thank you and welcome back. So a lot's been happening here at Marble Tree. Last time you guys were here, we had a few homes under construction. Great news, they're all done now. And so we have quite a few homes, including our alley served homes. And those homes we have going to be 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And so you guys can get in on those for just under $500,000.
Wow, under $500,000. That's incredible. Okay, now you mentioned alley serve. So I want you to kind of tell us a little bit about the alley serve home, what that means, and maybe a couple of the benefits.
Great point, Greer. Glad that you mentioned that. So alley serve home is pretty much going to mean that you're going to have your 2-car garage entry and the back of the home, okay? And also with that said, the major benefit there is that the streetscape that you see here is gonna be absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, no cars in front, all the just beautiful homes and well-manicured lawns as time progresses. Also, we're gonna have fenced backyards. Also, you're gonna have privacy in the back because you're gonna back up to woods and just nice skyline.
I love that. So a lot of benefits there. Now, right now, you have a couple of different homes that people can choose from. Come and take a look at the different floor plans. And you mentioned the pricing's amazing.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about, you said you have homes that are under 500?
Absolutely, yeah. So we just recently did a price improvement, right? So we have a couple of our homes that are just under 500,000. So come and check that out. Also, we have traditional homes where the 2-car garages are in the front. Again, those are gonna be 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, but it also does include, Greer, an actual full bedroom and bathroom on the main level.
Wow, okay, a lot of great options. Now, right now specifically, there is a rate going on. There's a special, so tell us about that.
Okay, so hot off the press, you guys are first to know, is that we did get some rates just approved. And so I will tell you they are gonna be on just exclusive homes, right? So some of the homes that can close in 30 to 45 days. So definitely reach out to us and we can give you more information about that.
Fantastic. Okay, well, I am so glad that I got to see you, Roy, and get all caught up. Now, if anybody is looking and wants to maybe check out some of these available homes, what should they do?
Please go to eastwoodhomes.com and also reach out to our fabulous internet team. They will schedule an appointment and then you can come out and visit us and we'd be more than happy to tour you around the community.
Awesome. Well, Roy, thanks so much for being here with me today. And if you are looking for a brand new, beautiful home under 500 in the beautiful town of Ball Ground, come and check out Marble Tree by Eastwood Homes in Ball Ground.